Hey guys, once again welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how we can change the project pages theme color. If you try to change the color with the specific area, like I'm changing app bar color, as you can see here. So just it's applied to the app bar, not to the buttons. So how we can change entire page theme color? To change it, we have to go to theme setting. On left side you can see theme setting, and here you can see brand colors. This is the primary color which you can see, that is actual our project color. So change the primary color to any other color. For example, here I'm taking this color and apply this color. That's it. As you can see now, pages color has been changed, including the buttons also. So if you add the new page also created with a new color, as you can see. So this is how you can change the default color for your project. Thank you so much for watching this video.